Understanding A Sneak Peek, English Phrases Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, a sneak peek. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding it can add an exciting element to your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning of a sneak peek. A sneak peek refers to an opportunity to see something before it is officially available or before the general public. It's like getting a special preview or a brief glimpse of something new. For instance, movie trailers are often a sneak peek of a film that's going to be released. This phrase combines sneak, which means to move quietly or secretly, and peek, which means a quick or furtive look. Understanding how to use a sneak peek in context can be very helpful. It is often used in marketing to generate excitement about a new product or event. For example, you're invited to a sneak peek of our new fashion collection. Here's a sneak peek of our upcoming episode. Notice how it creates a sense of anticipation and exclusivity. While a sneak peek is the most common phrase, you might encounter variations like sneak preview or exclusive first look. All these phrases share the same essence of giving an advance or exclusive preview of something yet to be released to the broader public. Be aware of the common mistake of misspelling it as sneak peek. Remember, it's peek, to look, not peak, the top of a mountain. This is a common error even among native speakers, so getting it right will enhance your English proficiency. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, a sneak peek. Remember, it's all about getting an early or exclusive glimpse of something exciting. Use it in your conversations to add that element of intrigue and anticipation. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.